Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Ankr coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the Ankr coin live price prediction. What's the price changes occur in the Ankr coin. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos. The current live price of the Ankr coin in the market is 0.108754 USD dollar. That is the currently live price changes occur in the Ankr coin. Other side, if we talk about the changes occur in the Ankr coin, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative, last 1 day changes is positive, and last 1 week changes occur in the Ankr coin in the market is positive. So only guys the last 1 hour change is negative. I mean the last 60-minute update is negative, and except after the last 60 minutes the previous changes occur in the Ankr coin is positive. Absolutely going good in the market. So guys, what should we do at this time, guys? I recommend for you to please hold. If you hold, so I hope you get profit. But if you decide to sell Ankr coin, so I'm sorry for that. Nothing you get at the last. Please guys, just hold to the last of August. Let me show you the price chart. Absolutely a good and massive change occur by Ankr coin. Absolutely, you can see here a massive change occur by the Ankr coin. Anyways guys, what is your opinion, what is your price prediction about Ankr coin? Please also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more news and updates videos.